Hello and welcome to the last part of the Happy Synthesizer tutorial. Thank you for coming so far and reaching up to the end. Today we're going through the bridge, which is the hardest part of the song, and then also going through the flow of the song, which is the order of all the moves and all the sections. Yeah, so we're going to do the bridge first. Do your warm-up. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the bridge once. Yeah, so as you can see, the bridge comes off from the second chorus, and then afterwards, after the last part of the bridge, we go back to the third chorus. So it's squashed in between two choruses. Yeah, so this part is the hardest part of the dance, so it's okay if you can't get it right immediately. It takes a lot of practice and muscle memory, and eventually it'll be easier. Yeah, so the first thing is we're going to focus on the feet. Your hands can leave to the sides for now, and even you realize that your hands actually aren't doing much for most of the difficult parts of the song. Yeah, so what you want to do is you want to lift up your left foot to the side. So it'll be to the side, left foot, right foot, then immediately bring your right foot back, and then left foot back. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's how you do it. So outwards, outwards, backwards, backwards. Backwards, you want to cross a bit. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left and right and right and left. When you're doing this part, just lean on your left foot so that your right foot can go up twice. Yeah. As long as you leave on your left foot, then you'll be able to double up. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. Now the second part after this, the time is not very clear in the original dance, but like if you want to like change up the speed to make this part a bit faster, a lot of people do this part slightly faster than the 1 and 2 and kind of timing. But just for easy purposes, we just I'm teaching it according to the number timing instead of like da 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 da. Okay, so after you do that, you'll be cross and cross on your left foot. Now what you want to do is you want to switch to your right foot and heel and land on your heel. Okay, so you want to put your entire weight on your right foot. So left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left. You want to go forward with your right heel, go forward with your left heel, go backwards, go backwards. Yeah. If you want to just step, it's fine. The original is heel because you're going backwards quite fast. Okay, so the timing is 1 and 2 and again, same timing. So we'll start from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, out, right, cross, right, left, left. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and okay. Now when you come back to this position, your feet, try and have it facing forward, mostly pointing forward. Even if you don't end up, it should be fine, because the next section will do this, which is quite hard if you've never done it before. The first one you want to do is you want to pivot on your right toe and your left heel. Okay, so you press down your right toe and left heel, and then you make a V shape with your feet. Yeah, so press down on your right toe and your left foot, and then shift your right heel and left toe to the left so that you'll make a V from the standing position. V to the left. Okay, so V to the left like this. Yeah, and then after that you want to change back, but instead of going to neutral position, like you keep your weight on your right toe and your left heel, and you want to make a opposite V, an inverse V. So now your knees are pointing inwards, your toes are pointing inwards, yeah? So from right, left, V, inwards, okay? Right, left, V, inwards. And after that, you want to switch your weight. So right now you're putting your weight right toe, left heel. Now you want to switch it to your left toe, right heel, and then make a V to the right, okay? V to the right. So from inwards, you want to switch your weight and then V to the right. Right, left, V, inverse, V. And then keep your weight where it used to be and just go back to the inverse. That's the last 4 beats of the bridge. So when you do this, you want to switch like this, yeah. So do practice this because it takes some time to do this. Just remember to keep your weight on the 2 points, which is 1 heel and 1 toe. Okay, so we'll try the entire section from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now you have to learn how to chain it up. So right after you go like this, 3 and 4, and you must immediately stick up your left foot again to repeat, because we're going to do this 4 times. 4 times for the bridge. Okay, so we'll go through slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, out, cross, right, left, right, out, cross, right, left, right, right, out, back, front, back, left, right. I lost count already. But so try that in your own speed, in your own timing. You can do it slower if you want. Just remember to get the points correctly. And just get into your muscle memory by doing it slowly first, and then you can speed up when you're comfortable with speeding up. Okay, so let's see how it sounds with music. We're going to do 80 times speed first. We're going from the chorus. This is the second chorus, so variation. And left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Good. We'll do that one more time. Vertical, back, right, left, right, left, right, left, forward, left and right, left, forward, tap, and then jump. Happy Synth. Okay, we'll do that 1 time speed. Don't worry if you can't get it immediately. I also sometimes mess it up. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You can tell, right? It's really hard. Okay, now we're gonna add in the hands. So generally for the first 4 beats, your hands are just gonna like be at the side, and your feet would naturally, when you go outwards, it will be towards the hands. You just tap, tap, or just leave it there and your feet will just hit it automatically. So left, right, when you cross over, you just reach back a bit, and then for this part, just keep your hands behind your back, and then you do a variation. Okay, so just do this and then behind your back. Okay, so for the variation part, we're following Melochin for this tutorial, but you actually can just like do different actions or whatever you like doing, because this is the part where a lot of dancers, they make different variations, different hand signs, different actions to like make their stuff original. So during this part, you can actually do whatever you want, yeah, to make yourself unique. But for now, I'll just teach the Melochin version. So after this, when you go left and right, it's just hands out kind of situation. Like what kind of situation? Then after the second round, when you do this, it's gonna be cross hand situation. It's kind of like the chorus. Because after that, the third one would be thinking situation. And then the last one, don't variate it, because this one almost everyone does it. You want a left, so right hand up, left hand side, and right. Yeah, so for the last one, it's left and right. But for the previous ones, it's sideways, shrugging, and like thinking. Yeah, that's the variation. So this one, this one, this one, and then this one. Yeah, okay, so track the hands. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and don't know, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shrug, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and hands behind your back, thinking, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the last one, left and right. Then you hold it, da 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 da, Happy Synth. Yeah. So for this part, right, also, you want to look in the direction that your hands are going in. So left and right. Yeah. Okay, hope you are following. And we'll do that with music, 80% speed. Second chorus, so rub your head. Left, right. Don't know. Left, right. Shrug. Left, right. Thinking. Left, right. Left and right. Ha! Yeah. I hope you got that. I'm gonna do 1 time speed now. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yeah, let's do that again. And shrug. Thinking. Left and right. Yeah, so you've learned the entire Happy Synthesizer. Omedeto! Now we have to put all the parts together. Yes, go revise the previous sections if you cannot remember them. So now I will go through the song flow, the music flow of like when to do verse, when to do chorus. Okay, so now I will go through the song flow, which is when to do the different parts of the different sections of the song. if you just want to know straight up, it's intro, verse, chorus 1, verse, chorus 2, bridge, chorus 3, chorus 4, and then it ends. Okay? So just to like go through it slowly, it would be the intro. So da 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 da, happy synthesizer, kimi no mune no okumade, and you do all of this. And then from here you start with your verse, which is exactly what I taught earlier. Then after that, after the verse, then we'll be going to the chorus. So it'll be the sweeping motion from here, da 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 da, and then do your first chorus. Okay, your first chorus as in you do this after, like the variation would be left, right, wag, wag, and then this one. Then you do this movement, which only appears once in the song. Okay, so this movement is only after the first chorus. Because from here, then you're going to the second verse, which is exactly the same as the first verse. Okay, so there's no difference between the first and second verse. And then you go sweeping again, all the way until the second chorus. So second chorus, same as the first chorus, except during this part, you rub your head, then left, right, pa, 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 pa. After second chorus, it's bridge. Okay? Da, 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 da. Okay, so after bridge, it'll be da, 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 da. Third chorus. So third chorus is the same as first chorus, which is the pointing finger. Yeah? Odd choruses are the same. Then jump. Happy Synth. Okay, so right after third chorus is your fourth chorus. So from here, you just jump and start your fourth chorus again. And then your fourth chorus is the same as second chorus because they're even numbers. So from here, left, rub head, left, right. Okay? Da, 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 da. And this is the end. So for the ending, right, after you do this, turn to your left side and then open up. Just open up like this, okay? So da 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 da, ha, boom. Yeah. Okay, so that's the entire song. Thank you for following me through this tutorial. This is the first dance tutorial I've made so far. I'm doing this project because the K-pop community seems to have quite a bit of tutorials, and in the Odotemita community, tutorials are quite rare, especially amongst the international fans. Usually, there used to be one girl that did a tutorial for Happy Synthesizer many years ago, but since then she's taken down the tutorials, so I think there are no Happy Synthesizer tutorials out there, very few. So that's why I'm starting this, to try and teach Odotemita for more people to learn it, because Odotemita is meant to be easy and accessible for everyone. Yeah, so do give me feedback in the comment section below. If you want to suggest like songs that I should do tutorials of, probably try and do those iconic popular songs because more people would want to dance these songs. Yeah. Thank you. This is Sensei. You can call me San, and Janet.